Airline ground crew secrets revealed. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of the unsung heroes of aviation, the airline ground crew. These are the people who keep flights safe, on time, and your bags moving behind the scenes. Without them, air travel would grind to a halt. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the top 10 essential skills every ground crew member must master. Whether you're considering a career in aviation or just curious, you'll leave with a whole new respect for these pros. Let's go! First up, aircraft ground handling. Imagine guiding a massive jet into its parking spot using only hand signals. That's marshalling. Then there's towing. Moving planes with powerful tractors through tight spaces, requiring precision and constant communication with the cockpit. One mistake can mean millions in damage or major delays. Servicing is another key task, connecting ground power, managing air conditioning, water, and lavatory services. While passengers disembark, teams refuel, handle baggage, restock catering, and perform quick checks, all in a tight turnaround window. Efficient ground handling keeps airlines on schedule and safe. Mastering this means knowing different aircraft, their servicing points, and all the ground support equipment. It's about anticipating needs and working as a seamless team. You're not just parking planes, you're ensuring they're ready for flight. This foundational knowledge separates rookies from pros. Understand the why behind every move and you'll be a true aircraft whisperer. Hit the books and pay attention. This is where it all begins. Next, communication. In the noisy, high-stakes airport environment, clear communication is life or death. Ground crew talk to each other, supervisors, gate agents, pilots, and sometimes air traffic control, using precise language and radio protocols. Misunderstandings can lead to accidents, so active listening and clear, unambiguous messages are essential. Jet engines roar, vehicles move everywhere, so radio etiquette, phonetic alphabets, and hand signals are vital. Imagine a pilot ready for pushback, but equipment is still nearby. One missed message could be disastrous. Standardized protocols are drilled into every crew member. No slang, no guessing. Communication isn't just verbal marshalling signals. Visual cues and accurate documentation all matter. Every piece of info contributes to safety and efficiency. Mastering communication means understanding systems, protocols, and the critical importance of every message. Be an active listener, a clear speaker, and adapt to your audience, whether it's a fellow agent or the captain. This skill ties all ground operations together. Communication is your superpower. Now let's get serious. Health, safety, quality, and legislation. Airports are hazardous moving aircraft, heavy vehicles, jet fuel, high voltage, and extreme noise. Every ground crew member is a safety officer first. Follow safety protocols, wear PPE, know emergency procedures, and handle hazardous materials correctly. Quality standards are linked to safety. A poorly secured cargo door is a disaster waiting to happen. Aviation is heavily regulated. International, national, and local laws govern every move. Know the rules, security, customs, environmental laws. Ignorance isn't an excuse. Continuous training is a must. Procedures change. New equipment arrives and safety lessons are learned worldwide. Complacency is the enemy. Vigilance is key. A strong safety culture means everyone looks out for each other and speaks up about hazards. Mastering this isn't just about passing a test, it's about making safety your mindset. It's the difference between a long career and a serious incident. Don't mess with safety. Let's talk environment, energy efficiency, and ethics. Ground crew actions have a real environmental impact. Think about all those vehicles and equipment. Airlines are switching to electric or fuel-efficient gear, and it's up to you to operate responsibly and report issues. Waste management is huge. Properly sorting and recycling aircraft waste, minimizing single-use plastics, and disposing of hazardous materials correctly. Use ground power instead of burning jet fuel at the gate, and reduce unnecessary vehicle idling. Every small action adds up across thousands of flights. Ethics matter too. You handle passengers' belongings and sensitive info, so honesty and integrity are non-negotiable. Adhere to security and company policies and treat everyone fairly. Being eco-conscious and ethical isn't just following rules. It's about pride in your work and building trust. You're helping create a sustainable, respected industry. This is the future of aviation. Time for some brain power, weight and balance. Ground crew, especially loaders, play a critical role in keeping aircraft balanced and safe. If the plane's too heavy or the center of gravity is off, it's dangerous. Period. Loading isn't random. It follows a detailed plan based on passenger weights, fuel, and cargo weights. Heavy bags at the back? The plane could pitch up dangerously. All weight at the front, nose heavy and hard to control. Follow the load instruction report exactly, weigh and secure everything, and use nets and straps to prevent shifting. The loadmaster checks and signs off, and the captain won't go until it's right. Mastering this means attention to detail, math skills, and understanding your aircraft. Hundreds of lives depend on getting this right. It's a huge responsibility, and incredibly rewarding. Now, let's head to the terminal. Landside passenger handling. Ground crew here are the first impression checking documents, weighing bags, and answering endless questions. It's fast-paced and high-pressure. Agents must be efficient, friendly, and know airline policies inside out. Baggage handling starts here. Tagging, weighing, and ensuring compliance with security and airline rules. Special care is needed for oversized or fragile items. Agents also assist passengers with mobility needs, unaccompanied minors, and anyone needing help. Disruptions. Landside agents handle delays, cancellations, and rebookings, requiring patience and problem-solving. Mastering this means being a documentation expert, baggage guru, and customer service champ. You set the tone for the entire journey. This is where the magic begins. Now let's go airside, where the gate agents rule. Boarding is a finely tuned operation, announcements, document checks, managing boarding groups, and last-minute issues. Communication is key. Liaising with flight crew, ramp crew, and keeping passengers informed. Disembarkation is just as important. Operating jetways, assisting passengers, and directing connections. Special needs? Gate agents coordinate mobility assistance and unaccompanied minors with care and empathy. Challenges pop up. Late arrivals, medical emergencies, aircraft issues. Agents must stay calm and decisive. They're the final airline contact before boarding and the first on arrival. Their professionalism keeps flights on time and passengers happy. Gate agents are true terminal heroes. Back to the ramp, aircraft loading and load control. Loading is like Tetris with real consequences. It starts with a load plan, what goes where and in what order. Ramp agents must know each aircraft's compartments, weight limits, and securing methods. Baggage is sorted, stacked, and loaded fast but carefully. Dangerous goods get special handling. Cargo can be anything. Parcels, pallets, even vehicles or live animals, each with unique requirements. Equipment like belt loaders and forklifts must be used safely and efficiently. Securing cargo is critical. Nets, straps, and locks prevent dangerous shifts in flight. The loadmaster checks everything and signs off before the captain gets the final numbers. Mastering this means strength, attention to detail, and teamwork under pressure. These teams move mountains, one bag at a time. Now, safe and efficient aircraft handling on airside. Pushback and towing are precision jobs connecting tractors, guiding planes, and keeping clear of obstacles. Wing walkers watch for clearance, preventing costly collisions. Servicing in technical areas means moving aircraft for maintenance or cleaning, often in crowded spaces. Situational awareness is everything. Know who has right-of-way and always be alert. Safety around jet engines is critical. Stay clear of danger zones and secure all equipment. FOD walks picking up debris are a daily safety must. Mastering this means vigilance, flawless communication, and strict adherence to procedures. It's a high-stakes ballet of machinery and manpower. The final essential skill: moving passengers between terminal and aircraft. Whether walking on the ramp or taking a bus, this phase is full of hazards. Ground crew escort passengers, keep them in safe zones, and prevent wandering. Coordination is key. Gate, bus, and ramp teams must communicate clearly. Special assistance is provided for those who need it. Safety briefings may be needed. Stay together, avoid distractions, and follow instructions. Operating air stairs safely and monitoring passengers is crucial. This is about creating a safe, controlled bubble for passengers in a busy environment. You're the guardians of the final step before flight. We've covered the 10 essential skills for airline ground crew. From aircraft handling to passenger service, this is a demanding, vital profession. Mastering these skills means building a rewarding career and connecting the world safely. If you're inspired to join or just appreciate the work, thank you for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your questions or stories in the comments. See you in the next video.